love is patient. Love is kind. It's not jealous. It's not pompous. It's not inflated. It's not rude. Those are things we can't necessarily measure, but they're nevertheless real. And so you are making this decision that in order to receive the fulfillment of this desire, you need each other to take that journey together. From the very beginning, knowing that this day would happen, so that the two of you could respond to this love with the fullness of your heart.
Oh my God. Oh, you look amazing. No, forget me right now. Oh my God. I'm marrying you? You? I, Patrick, take you, Bree, for my lawful wife.
I, Bree, take you, Patrick, for my lawful husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
Until death do us part.
Bree, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Patrick, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
It is my honor to introduce to you husband and wife. Congratulations.
She's always adaptable. She's such a super friend. She's so sincere in everything she does, and she just makes me so proud to have her as a daughter. It's just amazing. I mean, remember where your relationship started and why you're here together and why there's so much love, and always fall back on that. If there's ever, you're gonna have obstacles, you're gonna have ups and downs, but just remember the love that you have for each other and where it started, and that always gets you there.
In all seriousness, I wish these two the happiest life together. Bree and Pat, I love you both and cannot wait to party the night away.
I can say with absolute certainty that everyone in the room tonight can see how special the love you guys have. Thank you for allowing all of us to be here to celebrate with you guys on your big day.
5 years, but I feel like Pat has been around forever. And that really, touched me because he's such a good guy. Bray, I'm just so proud of you, and you're my little sister, and it means the world to me.
I hope they have a beautiful marriage, and I hope nothing for the best for you two. I love you both.